Today we are going to talk about set operation, part of database management system course. In SQL, set operations are used to combine the result sets of two or more select statements into a single result set. There are three main set operations in SQL: union, intersect, and except. The union operator is used to combine the result sets of two or more select statements into a single result set. It removes duplicates by default, but you can use the union all operator to include duplicates. Intersect. The intersect operator is used to return the rows that are common to the result sets of the two select statements. The except operator is used to return the rows that are in the first result set but not in the second result set. Here is an example of a union operator in SQL. This query combines the result sets of two select statements and returns all the rows from the customer table where the city is either New York or San Jose. The result set will contain all columns from the customer tables for each row that meets the condition. Here is an example of the intersect operator in SQL. This statement will select all rows from the user table where the city column has a value of New York and the age column has value greater than 30. The intersect operator is used to return only the rows that are present in both the first and second select statements. The intersect operator is similar to the inner join, but it only returns the rows that are present in both tables, rather than creating a new table that includes all matching rows from both tables. Here is an example of the except operator. This statement will select all rows from user table where the city column has a value of New York and will remove any rows where the age column has a value greater than 30. The except operator is used to return only the rows that are present in the first select statement but not in the second. The except operator is similar to the left join operator, but it only returns the rows that are present in the first table and not in the second table, rather than creating a new table that includes all rows from the first table and any matching rows from the second table. Set operations can be useful for combining data from multiple tables or for combining data that meets different conditions. There are many more options and features available for manipulating and querying data in a database using set operations. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.